What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can use AI in WhatsApp. Well, using AI in WhatsApp is pretty simple. For that I have two WhatsApp installed. One is business and the other one is the normal one. Now, as you can see, I have joined the same group in both of these WhatsApps. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my open up my WhatsApp, tap on the text and type something. Now if I type at the rate, you'll be able to see Meta AI popped up here. What you have to do is you just have to select Meta AI and then type in whatever the question that you have. Now you will send this message and the Meta AI will reply to you. However, this thing is actually limited to some specific regions. As you can see, now this is my phone number from the United Kingdom. If I type in at the rate, I won't be able to see Meta AI popping up because Meta AI is not available in United Kingdom. So I won't be able to access the Meta AI in some regions, but in some regions you will be able to because it is available. So you just have to type on at the rate and you'll be able to tag Meta AI, ask the question, it will answer it to you. That's very much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.